I am making healthy organic shrimp and lobster sauce. Here I've already skinned and sliced 2 large cloves of garlic, fresh ginger, about half the size of my first joint of my knuckle, and I am going to slice up thinly a organic carrot. And Suka is going to get a piece. You'll see that because this is a raw carrot, I'm going to start cooking it before I would do the peas, because the raw carrot takes a little bit longer to cook. So here we have the shrimp. This shrimp is from Whole Foods. It's raw shrimp. It's not cooked. And I'm just going to peel the shrimp. So you can devein the shrimp. I don't devein the shrimp. That would involve cutting along the back of the shrimp and pulling the vein out. Sorry if my dog is cleaning off her paws in the background, if you can hear it. So here we're rinsing the shrimp. I used the 16 to 20 count shrimp size. So I'm going to add avocado oil here. I add avocado oil. Olive oil is a little too, the taste is too pronounced. And I'm going to throw some organic peas, a cup of organic peas in the mix. But first we are going to put the garlic, the ginger, and the carrot in as the oil gets hot. And then we're going to throw the shrimp in. You're going to cook the shrimp until it turns just a little bit pink. You don't want to overcook the shrimp. A lot of people do, and it becomes very hard, and that is not good. So you want to leave the shrimp tender, and you want to have it so that it's just on the pinkish side. And here I am adding 3/4 of a cup of chicken bone broth. So continuing to add the chicken bone broth, there's 3/4 of a cup. You're going to stir it in, and we're going to put the cup of frozen peas in, stir it up, add some salt, add some pepper, and we're going to stir it. We want it to come to a slow boil. So we are going to beat an egg. I'm going to let that egg sit for a minute, and we're going to grab the organic cornstarch, and I put a heaping teaspoon in, mixing it with some filtered water. And now we see the mixture is boiling, so we're going to drizzle the beaten egg in so that it solidifies as you're putting it in. And you're going to keep stirring, and then we're going to add the cornstarch mixture. So I've just added a little bit of water to the cornstarch, and that is it. You're going to let that cornstarch firm up, and then the dish is done. So I didn't add any soy sauce because some people don't want soy sauce in it. So you can do Bragg's, you can do coconut aminos, you can do regular soy sauce, whatever you'd like. We've got some brown rice on the plate. We're going to put the shrimp and lobster on the plate. And I'm going to add my own Bragg's liquid aminos. And this dish tastes better than any restaurant shrimp and lobster I've had. This is the reason we have carpet runners all over our beautiful wood floor. Crazy Simi. She does zoomies all over the wood floor. And she is saying hello. All right, good cooking. Have fun.